Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? It's your boy, the Black Outdoorsman. How are y'all doing today? That's the real question. Because I'm doing great. You want to know why? Wow, thank you for asking. I just got a new board. I have been waiting for this thing, pre-ordered on Kickstarter for a hot minute. The hottest of minutes. Maybe even a hot... I don't know. That's how excited I am. I'm at a loss for words. Before we get into it though, new human. Tatted on my chest. That's what it is, man. Repping the gang. My boy Mike Soares has started this online exercise collaborative. Basically, if you go to my Instagram at @theblackoutdoorsman_, order some stuff, order some merch, 10% off if you use the code OUTSIDE21, all caps, don't forget it. But on to the topic of the day. My new board from Cruz. Dope guy, Leo Maranta, super cool. He and a couple of his buddies started this dope skateboarding brand. Completely different suspension system, which you'll see soon. So, without further ado, let's get to unboxing.
Oh man, the building is on fire.
All right, folks, what do we got here? Here's the box. What does that say? That says, skate and innovate, words to live by. Let's get into it. Handy dandy conifer. Awful knife. Nope. Oh, okay. Look at that paper. That is some fine quality paper. Here we go, folks. What does this say? Caden, handwritten note. That is how you treat your customers. Cruise control, skate co- oh, look at that. Hold on, stickers on the way, but I'm not gonna let you guys see it yet. How terrible is that?
Ugh, you're the worst.
I know, anything else in here? Any anthrax? No? Alright. Hey, yo, Caden. I wanted to give you a big thanks for supporting me and Cruise Control as we get out into the world. Always appreciate the hometown love, and I couldn't be more stoked to get you on our first real suspension skateboard. I hope you rip it up, man. Rock on, Hawk Nation. That's what's up. Keep cruising, my boy Leo. Skate and innovate, board number 8. Cruise control, lifted longboards. That's what it's all about. But, oh, y'all thought I forgot? Here are the stickers. Little cruise control. I like the logo. Oh, you know what? I follow the guy on Instagram that designed these stickers. At least this one. Yep, another one of these. I think this is the same. Yeah, and then what do we got here? CC. Keep it simple, baby. All right, but for real, it is time, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get this thing out. What we're left with is the board. Here is the suspension kit. A little bit different. You see, if you look here, lifted here. On a regular board, maybe I'll go out and show you, it's flat. Stimmy, let's check the bearings. Not too bad. All right, you know what? Only thing left for me to do is ride this thing. So let's do it.
Do it!
All right, folks, I just want to explain to you this suspension system. You see it here, the lift. You can see it. You see this space in here. Fit my whole hand in there, nothing, right? Compared to my Sector 9 board, no suspension whatsoever. Shout out Sector 9 too. Love y'all boards. If you want to send me some, feel free. Back to the cruise control. Suspension to the max. Makes it nice and bouncy so you can get in and out of those high-speed turns. Right now, trucks are a little bit loose for me, so I'm gonna tighten those. And then I'll get to doing this little test ride on this perfect new pavement. I'm not joking, y'all. This is like fresh out the box, perfect. So give me 1 second. Alright, y'all, I'm a little sweaty, but I'm here with the board. I'm about to test this thing out. If you have a problem with it, then I don't know why you're here. You clicked the video knowing it was an unboxing of a skateboard.
Okay.
Anyways, let's do it. Y'all, I had to pause for a second. Y'all just saw that clip. There was cars coming at me, cars coming from behind me. I panicked, bro. I saw someone I knew too, tried to wave to him. All of a sudden, I hit a curb. Next thing I know, board flies out from under me. I'm on the ground, yo. I fell so fast. And this freaking old white lady, God forbid, she asked if I'm okay. See, y'all thought I was joking. Really busted myself up. Look at that. Sock busted up, bleeding. Hey, all for y'all. That was probably upside down, but let's do it.
Yeah, hit Dochi, let me know what's going on.
I bet.
Sometime, bro. How you?
Yep.
All right,
What's up, you beautiful people? I'm back. And you know what? I love this board so much that I feel like I need to just film more. Shoot some more epic footage for y'all so you understand how dope this thing is. Let me show you the setup real quick. What we're working with is we got the GoPro mount on the bottom. Not locked and loaded yet, but it's coming. And then we got the stick. Singular, simple, but let's get to it.
What I'm serving in the spread, like the word of God. Fuck what a nigga do, reach for some in a piece. Geek on my side of town, do it when I'm sliding down. Push when I'm sliding down, ghost when I'm sliding down, torch when I'm sliding down. What you say? I hoe with the shorts, yeah, and you got to do is say, falling out your glass. Oh man, I don't want you in the club, cause your pussy poppin' start fights in the club. Come through when you new rent a car, bitches I lick your face cause you a star. And you come by 4 or 5 hoes, down to fight anything straight at the door.
Go, but I make 'em meet up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Drunk, but I make 'em drink up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Real, I don't wanna sneak up, yeah, yeah. Pop pills, but I make 'em geek up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Drunk on that Saturday.
What up, y'all? Hope you can see me. I'm about to hit up this little hill, this mini hill. Same one I hit up yesterday. But this time we got the GoPro on the bottom. Come kick and push with your boy. Let's do it. Okay, let's get back into it. After my test run, let me tell you a little bit about this sucker right here. All right, we'll break this down. So we got pros, we got cons. Pros heavily outweigh the cons. One of the first things I noticed that I really like is this lip right here. So longboards, traditional longboards, never have this lip, but because it's kind of like a hybrid, at least that's what I kind of have realized as I wrote it. It's kind of like a hybrid between regular plank skateboard and your longboard. Like a skateboard, it has this front lip, and this is super dope when you're trying to carve. So you put your front foot up here and you just rip it up. Another pro, the height, the added height you get from this lifted suspension system. The added height, you can just jump right over curbs like it's nothing. Like it's nothing. I didn't really get sendy with it, but I know that you can do it. I tried it a little bit. I didn't want to go too crazy because I already fell. I just want to tell y'all, that was all my fault. That had nothing to do with the board. I got distracted. Next, I like the grip tape. Super sticky. Never worried about my foot slipping off the board as I was carving, nothing like that. One of the cons, I know early production stages, valid, but I do wish they had some sort of design on the bottom here. That would be dope. Absolutely sick, but I'm sure that's coming soon. Another con, which I'm sure this is really nothing, this is probably standard practice for a board company, but trucks were super loose when you first get it. I highly advise you, if you don't already have one, go get a T-tool. Something like this. Doesn't have to be anything crazy. I don't know if you can see that. That says, how much is that? Okay, this is 10 bucks, not bad. Ladies and gentlemen, Cruise Control, skate and innovate. Comment section below, who wants a sticker? Maybe I can make something happen. Maybe I could just maybe do like a giveaway for some stickers or like maybe a board or something? I don't know. Let's see where this goes first. Like I said, pros, dope lip, super dope suspension system, can hop right over curbs, sleek design, board's not too heavy at all, super sturdy. Cons, no design on the bottom. Ladies and gentlemen, I don't know. I think I did my job here. What I want y'all to do is 1, go follow Cruise Control on Instagram. 2, get yourself a board. Duh. And 3, if you don't already follow me on Instagram, I'd love it if you did. Howdy folks, we're back. Please excuse my appearance. Got the wife beater on. I don't know, it's comfy, I just got out the shower. Besides that, if y'all have enjoyed this video, please take the time, leave a like. And if you feel so inclined, maybe subscribe to your boy. But for real, if you want any and all of the board, the wheels, any of that I have demonstrated with today, check out Cruise Control. I'm gonna have like a little screen record thing right here. Check out their site. Do what you need to do so you can be as fly as your dude. So without further ado, have a good night, y'all, and I'll see you next time.